What happened over here when Blondie was taking the turn a little bit too wide, just in case about 4 lanes width of space is not enough. So what you see here is a little bit of scrape, of course, on this wall here, and the whole wall is leaning out, and you can see it's all not straight anymore. What happened here is got separated right here and being pushed away from the floor here, and they tied it back with these massive knee braces here that are bolted to the floor and bolted to this wall here, and it's leaning over quite strongly, about I don't know, about in the middle here where the lean is the most, about 10 centimeters or so, so like 4 inches, something like that. So Blondie was not only taking a wide turn, was also coming with some coming at some speed with this amount of damage and this amount of displacement on this concrete.